Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I hope you enjoy and make sure you subscribe to stay updated on all my upcoming videos. Now let us get right into today's video. I'm back with some cute hairstyles for you to try out, and I'm starting on a old wash and go. Now for this first style, step 1 is going to be sectioning my hair off from ear to ear. Then I'm making my side part, and I'm also deciding how big I'm going to make my swoop at the same time with this part right here. And after parting, I just made a big twist to get it out of my way for now, since I'm gonna work on that part later on. Now going back to the initial part that I made, I split it in half and I used my all-time favorite Eco Styler gel. This gel never fails me. We're locked in for life. I just applied some of the gel on the base of this first section since I'm gonna smooth it out. And I also took out my little baby hair before tying this side up, and then just brushed the base until it laid as smooth as I wanted it to. Then all that was left for me to do was make a bun, and I left out the ends of my hair to make it a little bit more playful and kind of messy, since that was the look that I was going for. And then just do the same thing on the other side as well. Now going back to this section, first I wet it a little bit using some water before brushing it out and making sure it's tangle free. Then again applying some gel and brushing it until it laid as smooth as possible. Now I connected that part with a little section in the back and just tied it up in a little ponytail. And in the end you didn't see this part at all since my hair fell over it. And this is a great way to make sure your swoop can lay as tight and flat as possible without making it noticeable how you kind of covered it up.
My money, my body, now your own. I love you. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, oh. Versace and Gucci for your body, oh baby.
And the last step was fixing my baby hair, of course. For the second hairstyle, step 1 is making a middle part, and then again starting from the middle point, going from ear to ear.
I like your mini skirt, I love you. My money, my body, now your own, oh baby. 30 billion for the account, oh.
Then I used a Denman brush to get the base to lay flat going to the back. So instead of making the buns like right on top of my head, like in the first hairstyle, for this one they're going to be kind of a little bit more in the back. Hopefully what I'm explaining makes some kind of sense to someone. Now I just made a little bun, again leaving out the ends to give it a little bit more character and playfulness. And again doing the same thing on the other side as well. I've been wondering all day, try to be fine but I can't be. For this last hairstyle, I left the middle part and went in going from ear to ear again, but this time leaving out a little bit more hair and making the part a little smaller. Now instead of going for a normal middle part, I made it a zigzag part just to spice up the hairstyle a little more. Tell me you love that you cannot mix. One is the joy that you cannot waste, and the other one price that you cannot fix. This is the piece that you cannot buy. Finding a way where you cannot. I smoothed out the left and right side and tied it up in a ponytail in the back, where I'm gonna connect it with the rest of my hair. I need to give up my baby. I need to be on my lane, my mind. I need to the other side. I need time to leave my life. I need try to take me out. Tell you what I need. After that, I twisted the base of the ponytail and clipped it with the claw clip on my hair. And that were 3 cute quick hairstyles. Hope you try them out for yourself. If you do, let me know how it went. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.